How do you want to build a complete digital wallet website without knowing any programming language yourself? So please watch this video completely. Because in this video we will learn step by step how to complete digital wallet solution website. We are getting very nice home page design. Also we are getting powerful admin panel to manage the website. We can control all the features and functionalities of the website using this admin panel. We are getting many important features section in admin panel. We will manage every user on the website step by step. We can also offer users multiple virtual cards and give them virtual cards. We can add many international payment methods to make deposits on our website. Users can easily make payments on our website using these international automatic payment methods. Also, we can add bill payment system of multiple different companies. Like this, we are getting many more important features section admin panel. Now I will introduce you to a user dashboard panel. Now you can see the dashboard of a user account. Here we can see the balances of different currency amounts of a user. Then here a user can view their payment summaries. A user gets their own QR code in their account and they can easily make transactions using this QR code. Also, users can see more types of transaction summary here. We can deposit the website very easily through the Add Money section. Also, we can send money to any user. Or we can request money from any user. Or we can easily exchange money. Also, we will be able to request for virtual card very easily. We can make international payments using these cards. Also, users are getting more features section in their user panel, which is very important. So let us now learn how to create a digital wallet solution website. Now we need to purchase premium source code from Envato to create complete digital wallet website. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of this source code in the video description. If you buy this source code once, then you can use it on the website for lifetime. Also, you get source code update version for lifetime, and you can take developer support for any problem. We will also support you. If you have any problem installing the source code or any problem in customizing the website, then you can contact us. You will find all the information to contact us in the video description. Now we will learn how to purchase source code from Envato. For this we need to click on the Add to Cart button. Then go to Checkout. Now we need to create an Envato account. We can easily create an account using Google, Apple and Facebook. Or we can create an account by submitting correct information here. I have already created an account on Envato, so I will account login now. We must submit the billing details. We can purchase source code using two international payment gateways. You can pay by banking card or pay by PayPal. For example, I will now pay by bank card. For this we need to submit correct banking card information here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking on this button. Wow, our payment is complete. Now we will go to the download section. Then we have to click on the download button. Wow, now we can download all information of source code step by step. As you can see, I have already downloaded all the source code information. Now we will purchase domain hosting to publish complete digital wallet website online. You can purchase high quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of the Hostinger website in the video description. If you buy domain hosting from Hostinger, you will get many benefits. I have been using Hostinger domain hosting for my personal website for over 6 years because their domain hosting service is very high quality. Now we will learn how to purchase web hosting. You definitely get a free domain with these packages. Also, you get many more features with these packages. You get 30 days money back guarantee with every package. If you don't like your domain hosting within 30 days, you can get your dollars back. Also, you can get 24 hours technical support from Hostinger. Or you can get direct support from us. You will find all our contact information in the video description. You can purchase any package as per your choice from here without any problem. As an example, I would now purchase the business web hosting package. We must purchase this package for 12 months. Now we need to create Hostinger account. We can easily create accounts through Google. Wow, we are getting 64% discount. We have to pay a total of $59.88. We can purchase domain hosting using many international payment gateways. You can purchase domain hosting using your preferred payment gateway. We need to submit account information here to make payment. For example, we will now pay by banking card. For this, we need to submit correct card information here. Then we have to confirm the payment by clicking this button. Our payment complete. We will now click on the Start Now button. We can now choose a domain for free. You can choose any domain of your choice. I will now choose any domain of my choice absolutely free. Now we have to click on the Continue button. Then we have to go to the next step. Now we have to submit the domain address information here step by step. Then we have to click on the Finish Registration button. Now click on the Finish Setup. Now we will go to the Hosting Control panel. Wow, we have successfully purchased domain hosting from Hostinger. Now we will change the PHP version of the hosting panel. We will select PHP 8.1 version as per source code documentation. Then we will go to the file manager to upload the source code. Now we will go to public HTML folder. Then we need to extract the source code zip file. Then we will upload this zip file to the hosting panel. Our zip file is upload complete. Now we will extract this zip file. We need to choose a folder name. Now we will delete this zip file. Then we need to select all these files. Now we need to submit these files to the public HTML folder. Now we need to create the database. So now we will learn step by step how to create database. We must save this password in our notepad. Now we will learn step by step how to submit SQL file to database. We have successfully submitted the SQL file to the database. Now we will search by typing our domain into the browser. We must add /install to the domain. Now we need to add some folder permissions. So now we will learn how to add permissions to folders in hosting panel. For this you have to follow this video completely step by step. Now we have to submit the purchase verification information here. Then here we will submit the database information. We have successfully installed the source code. Now our website is completely ready. So now let's log in to the admin panel. We will use the admin login default information here. We must change the admin login default information. Now we need to submit to cronjob. We will now learn step by step how to submit to cronjob. Now you can easily customize the website using these features functionality sections of admin panel step by step. If you have any problem customizing the website, then contact us and we will help you. I give you 100% guarantee that you get all the features in this source code to create a complete digital wallet solution website. In this video we learn how to create a complete digital wallet solution website. If you have any query about this video, then comment or contact us directly via WhatsApp and email. Thank you very much to watch this video in full. If you want to watch our next videos, then definitely subscribe our channel.